Welcome back to my channel, Licensed Immigration. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour with explanation of the outline form DS-260 Immigrant Visa Electronic Application. I will be doing something way different than I usually do. I will show you the form in example form, but I will not be filling it out with you guys. Due to this case is that the application is only can be filled electronically when National Visa Center accepts your case. DV 2020 program applicants. The principal applicant and all family members applying for a diversity visa in the DV 2020 program must complete Form DS-260. You will need to enter the DV case number into online DS-260 form to access and update the information about yourself and your family member that you included in the DV entry. If your family circumstances have changed after you enter the diversity visa program, for example, if you have gotten married or had a child, you will need to add your new family members to your case. Family member refers to spouse and on or married children who had not reached the age 21 before you enter the DV program. When you're adding a family to your case, you will need to upload a document to prove the relationship to the family member being added. If you had a spouse prior to submitting the original entry, but you did not include them on the original entry form, such errors may render you, as well as many of your family members, ineligible for diversity visa. If you listed your spouse or child on the original diversity visa, but who has not at the time had an entry, such errors may render you, as well as any ineligible diversity visa. As indicated in the prior paragraph, like I explained before, your family circumstances have legitimately changed after submitting your original entry. You can add the family members, and on a family member's application will be reviewed. After submitting the form DS-260 online, print the confirmation page. You must bring this confirmation page to your visa interview. So let's start explaining this form. Like I said, it only can be done electronically. Once you filled it in and submit it, you can print out the confirmation. First, if the Department of State Consular Electronic Application Center will ask you for your case number. So provide the case number that was given to you when the case was approved. You will put your case number, your invoice ID number. Who are you? Are you the petitioner, the applicant, the attorney? Who? And then enter some characters as shown. They will show you. It will change just for security purposes. Okay, like I said, you see here, it says, who are you? I am the applicant or attorney, a petitioner, a third-party agent. Once you log in, this will show the summary information. They're gonna give you a brief information how you get started on the registering the application. Then here you will display personal information. Display for all applicant answer no to the question, have you ever used other name, maiden, religious, professional, alias, etc. Okay. So here, like I said, you will put your name. And that's only the first page. The second page, it contains the personal information. Display for all applicants. Answer a passport for document type. Answer no to the question, do you hold or have held any nationality or other than one you have indicated above? So you have to put in document type. That's for page 2. Continuing page 2, display for all applicants. Answer other travel document for document type. Answer yes to the question, do you hold or have you held any nationality other than one indicated in question above? On nationality, and answer no to the question, do you hold a passport to other nationality above? for here. Press this continues. I'm just showing the images, different document that you could use. The example. Present and previous address information page. Display for all applicants, all question answer no. Please note, sections added for additional telephone and email address are additional fields for social media and other social media. Display for all applicants, all questions answer yes. Please note, sections added for additional telephone and email address. Additional field for social media and other social media. As you can see, there's a social media page. You want to include your social media. Mailing and permanent address page. Display for all applicants who are not listed in the United States of America as their personal address, country, region, also all question answer yes. There's the mailing permanent address information page. Display all applicants who do not list the United States of America as their present address, region, or country. All regions all questions answer no. Display for all applicants who list the United States of America as their present address, country, region, all questions answer yes. You see this question. If you click yes, your mailing address is the same as your present address, and then in the pastor address, you want to use it as the green card address to be mailed to that present address. Display for all applicants who list United States of America as their present address, country, region. Answer no to the question, the address where you want to permanent resident card, green card mailed. So you have to specify what address you want your green card to be mailed to. Family information parish page. Display for all applicants. So put all applicants. Okay. Answer question are yes. You have to answer all the questions. Click yes. So you have to write information about your parents, mother and father. And if you answer no, this is the page where you answer no. Let's say is your father is living. If he's still alive, you click no. If it's yes, yes. If he died, your date of the year of the death. Display for all applicants. Answer yes to is your mother still living or father. And answer no to a question if your mother is the same as her father's. Okay? Display for all applicants. Answer do not know to the question surname and given name. If you guys don't know your parents' surname or given name, you just click don't know. If you don't know your parents. For the spouse page, display for all applicants who indicate that they are currently married or separated. Answer no to the question, is your spouse immigrating to the United States with you? Display for all applicants who indicate they're currently married or separated. Answer yes to this question, your spouse immigrating to the U.S. with you. Display for applicants who indicate that they're currently married or separated. Select same as present address and not employed for occupation. Display for applicants who indicate they're currently married or separated. Select other specified address for spouse or address and other for occupation. So I'm giving you the different choices that you could use And the example. Different choices, I mean like different answers. That applies to you. I'm giving you a sample, different example. Previous spouse page. Display for all applicants. Answer no. Do you have any previous spouses? Display for all applicants. Answer yes to the questions. Do you have any previous spouses? Answer other to the question. How was your marriage terminated? Display for all applicants. Answer no to the question. Do you have children? So specify if you guys have children, yes or no. If you do yes. If you choose yes, this will be what's gonna be. You have to fill in. You see? Your child's name, date of birth, place of birth. Does the child live with you? Is the child immigrating to the United States with you? Display yes all applicants to the question. Do you have children? Answer no. To the question, is the child immigrant gonna immigrate with you in the United States? Previous U.S. travel information page. Display all applicants. Answer questions are answer no. Have you ever been in the United States? Have you ever been issued a U.S. visa? Have you ever been refused a U.S. visa? Have admission to the United States or withdrawn from the application for admission at port of entry? Display all applicants. The answer yes. Work education training information page. Display for all applicants over the age of 14. Your primary occupation. In which occupation do you intend to work in the United States? Display for all applicants over the age of 14. Primary occupation. In which occupation do you intend to work in the U.S., like I said before, is agricultural, business, communication, computer science, culinary food service, education, engineering, government, homemaker, legal profession, medical health, military, natural science, physical sciences, religious vocation, research, social science, student. Answer 2. Do you have other occupation? Is no. Primary occupation. In which occupation do you intend to work in the U.S.? Is agriculture, business communication, computer science, culinary food service, education, engineering, government homemaker, legal profession. These are some of the occupation. If yes, other occupation, not other as a homemaker. And then you will do the occupation that you work intend to in the U.S. So like this is the option. They also ask you to provide the employer name and then the street and then the zip code, country, region. Do you have other occupation? Yes or no? And if it's other, you must write what other occupation. If you're not employed, you will click not employed. Or you retire as well. Showing you the images. I just give you some choices, on different choices. When you change the occupation. So let me scroll. Displays for all applicants who meet one of the following criteria. The applicant is a male and age 14 through 80. The applicant is over the age 14 and is from China, Cuba, Burma, India, Iran, North Korea, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Sudan, Syria, stateless. The applicant is retired, employed, homemaker, or the applicant applied for visa classes. These are the kind of visas classes. And both question is no. if you answer no, okay, for both questions. If you answer question yes, there will be the option if you do yes, what it will show. Display for all applicant who selected Afghanistan for nationality and is over the age of 14. And if you click Iraq as well. And this is still the occupation page. Display for ODV principal applicant who answered yes for the question, first question, and no to the other question in the page. I'm just gonna do it slowly. You guys, sorry if I have done it faster. If anything, let me know, comment below if I could do it once again and do it more slow. Or send you the images. I will send you the images as well. And also always remember to subscribe to my channel, watch my videos fully. If you don't understand this video, let me know and comment below and I will send you the images. Display for applicant who selected Iraq or other nationality. And then here it says, have you ever traveled to any country's region for the last 5 years? Yes or no? Have you ever served in the military? Have you ever belonged to, contributed to, or worked to any professional, social, charitable organization? You have to select yes or no. Do you have any specialized skills or training such as firearms, explosives, nuclear, biological, or chemical experience? Have you ever served and been a member or involved in parliamentary unit? Can you speak, read other than native language? And this is what I read. So you just click what is applies to you. Have you ever traveled to countries, region with the last 5 years? If you click yes, you must put the region. Have you served in the military? You must put the region and the branch service. And have you belonged to any social organization? Write the name as well. And displaying the skills and everything like that. You click yes. So this is when you fill this in. So in petition information page, display all applicants. Petitioner is what is your petitioner? If he's your father, or she's your mother, or your brother, sister, spouse, child, stepfather, stepmother, uncle, aunt, grandparent, or in-law is selected. So it shows father here. When you do father or any kind of name or any who you petitioning for, it will ask you for the surname and the given name, the address, phone number, and email address. Okay. If you click employer, you will fill that same thing. Any option that you will do. And here, if you're yourself applying petitioning, the petition who's filling this out is yourself. You will click self. Then you're gonna do some security and background medical and health information. So do you have communicable disease, any disease, tuberculosis, yes or no? Do you have documentation to establish that you have received vaccination according to U.S. law, yes or no? If yes, click yes. If no, why? Explain. Do you have a mental physical disorder, or you have ever been drug abused or addicted to something? So just click the option that applies to you. Every person is different. So then they're going to ask you some criminal questions that you will select, yes or no. Have you ever been arrested? Have you ever committed any crimes? Have you ever violated? Or your spouse or daughter individual has violated controlled substance? And other questions as more as you can see below. Prostitution, money laundering, human trafficking, has committed conspiracy. So select what applies to you. So here shows what, okay? Shows you. If you click yes, they will ask you to explain, as you can see. the situation. Have you been affiliated to communist, other totalitarian party, and so on, abuse of a government, etc. Questions that you must click yes or no, depends on your case. If you click yes, like you can see once again, you must explain the reason why. Have you ever assist or attend a visa in the United States? Yes or no. Have you ever been removed or deported from the United States? And if yes, they will ask you to explain. So any option when you click that, yes, they will ask you to give them more information. So it's so on. And then I say if you have been removed from the United States. So I'm going to use quickly through those questions. It's based on your answer. It's personal questions. So I'm just going quick. I'm doing this video just going through really quick with you guys the form. But like I said, if you want me to send you the images, I will do. And it keeps going. You see, another more questions. Are you healthcare worker? Are you permanent eligible for U.S. citizenship? Are you departed from the United States? So it's questions that it depends on a different case. It's different answers for everyone. And if you click yeah, like I said, once again you have to explain. So this is more important, really important. Social security number. Have you ever applied for social security number? Yes or no? If no, you click no. If yes, yes. And they also say if you want them to issue the social security card, really important. If you want them to issue, click yes. If you click yes, they will mail the social security card once you arrive to the United States of America. So my personal choice, I would do yes. But if you don't want to say, if you say no, you must go to a social security office for they could give you a social security card. You will go to a social security office, file for a new card, and they will mail it to you. But in my choice, I will click yes for the new card to be issued. And then once you finish the social security question, you will sign and submit the page. And then they're going to ask you, do you have anyone to assist you with applications? If someone assisted you, yes or no. If no, just no. Yes, yes. And then you will put your NVC case number and your passport number and the security number. Like a security code that they show. And once you sign, let me see, once you sign and you want to submit, they're going to show you some more like an information page. So they're going to say thank you, the confirmation, and then they're going to have, you have to print your confirmation, print the form. I will tell you, I will print out the form this 260 just to have it on file once you go to the interview. I will do this because you must do this before you go to an interview. Also you could email your confirmation and then you just print this out. This is really important, as you can see here, the submission. And then you could click that option, civil documents. You want to know what civil document you require, requirement photographs, and then the embassy, consulate general, specific information. Remember, this is not your visa. So, like I said, you see, at least I have a confirmation. Hopefully, this video helped you a little bit. But like I said, if you didn't understand, just comment and I could send you the images. Or once again, I could redo the video. So remember to subscribe, activate notification bell to receive notification when I upload a new video. Like the video and comment below. Thank you for the support and have a blessed day.